So, shall I start lesson? Okay, before going to start lesson, if you don't mind, a small question I will ask. Very little question. The reason is, if you know elements of vectors chapter formulas, you can solve problems in physics in many chapters. In electricity, in mechanics, projectile motion, like that gravitation, you can solve. For this reason, if you don't mistake, shall I ask very simple question? Only two formulas, okay? With your permission. Okay, children? It is elements of vectors, 11th class syllabus. I am not asking 12th class. Okay? Very good. Suppose this is the force F1, 4 Newton. This is the force F2, magnitude 5 Newton is acting on the body. So here the angle is mentioned, so 60 degrees. So what is the formula for resultant force? I am asking only formula. Resultant force formula. Root S, anyone? You tell. Root of F1, F1, F2 cos it. No more. F1 square, F2 square, 2F1, F2 cos theta. This is the formula. So you came nearly to that formula. Huh? Okay, very good. Please sit down. So now another small. Here theta is there. What is its value? Anyone? Wrong. 120. This angle you have to take. Then you can solve easily. Understand? So that is the reason elements of vectors 11th class formulas, if you know, are very small, it's not too much difficult. It is not mathematics, simple mathematics. What is angle finding? Already this is given. Formula remember. Then you will get answer. Yes or no? So this some formulas not more than 10. Very simple formula. Suppose F1 is equal to F2. The resultant force formula 2F1 cos theta by 2. Like that, simple formulas are there. Maximum 10 formulas. Based on that, you can solve many chapters in physics. Gravitation, projectile motion, laws of motion, friction, work power energy, electrostatics, that is electric charges and fields, and you can understand moving charges, magnetism, like that. Many chapters you can solve, because in competitive exam, complete problems they will give you in physics. They never give you theory questions. Remember, if theory questions is given, you are very lucky. So 99.99% all problems, whether it is NEET or JEE mains, problems will. So to solve the problems, we must remember some formulas, and we should identify. So what is this formula related to this formula? That is theta, that is finding, and substitution remaining, you know everything. It's a simple one. Yes or no? So that is the reason. So first, I will give you, shall I give this basics of this chapter? And I will tell concept and one problem. Based on that concept, one problem. Because in physics, concepts and conditions are there. So like that, if you learn physics, so you will get very good score. Though it is very difficult paper, you will get very good score. Okay? So first concept in this chapter, I will use vector definition. Based on that one theory bit, I will tell. What is vector? A physical quantity, which has both, tell ma, both magnitude and direction. Next, everyone knows about this. After that is and obey. Triangle or parallelogram law, any one law. Triangle law, simple. We don't worry full definition. It's not a board exam, okay? So based on this one theory question. So you know question number 1, current, vector or scalar. Electric current amma. Here electric current, vector or scalar. Explain. Which is my electric current, scalar or vector? Why? Very good. Does not obey triangle law. So electric current has both magnitude and direction. So magnitude means how much? 5 ampere. Direction, positive terminal of battery to negative terminal of battery. But does not obey triangle law of vector addition. Okay. See, suppose you connect a wire ammeter and you connect another wire ammeter, join, connect ammeter here. Suppose 4 amperes, 3 amperes, it will show 7 amperes, whatever the angle it may be, whether it is 60 degrees or 30 degrees, it will show the 7 ampere. Triangle of obey means, so suppose resultant vector a square b square plus 2ab cos theta. If theta changes, answer will change. Suppose theta is equal to 0, answer is a plus b. Theta is equal to 90 degrees, answer is, so theta is equal to 180 degrees, answer is either a minus b or b minus a. So that is called triangle law obey. If a vector means it should obey triangle law means angle changes, answer also changes. But here angle is put 60 or 30. It always shows 7 ampere. For 60 degrees also it will show 7 ampere. For 30 degrees also it will show 7 ampere. That is the reason current does not obey triangle law. So like this you must learn physics, concept, condition, one problem. So remaining material school will give. If you do that problem, super rank will come. Okay. Next concept. Next concept, triangle law. Because you already completed this topic. If I teach, you can understand easily. Suppose if I take a new chapter, so starting onwards I have to teach. Okay. Now take what is triangle law? Okay, I will tell. So you know some experiments. Very simple experiment. Suppose if I pull this desk like this, if other boy pulls the desk in that direction, which direction it will go? it will go in this direction. That is triangle law. From that experiment, they put triangle law. Understand? See, suppose A bar is one side of triangle. B bar is the another side of triangle. How these two vectors taken? Same direction. Yes or no? Same anti-clockwise direction. Yes or no? So we say same direction or same anti-clockwise direction we can tell. Now this is the third side. We have to take opposite direction, reverse direction, that is clockwise. This gives sum of two vectors. Sum of two vectors, another name is resultant. So that means reverse direction vector is equal to sum of two same direction vectors. Understand? So reverse direction vector must be equal to sum of two same direction vectors. So based on this, shall we do problem? So I will write formula. Only first single formula we have to write. R is equal to A is equal to B, special condition. Then R is equal to 2A cos theta by 2. These two formulas we can use in the given problem. So I will take electric charge field one problem. We can take many problems are there. Okay, even in gravitation it is there. Okay. So see here, this is the equilateral triangle. What is this mark? So equilateral triangle means here angle is how much? Here, yes, first zero. Next, they will put equal charges. So what they put? Equal charges. So you already studied in the 10th class. If same charges, which force acts? Repulsive force. Yes or no? From this charge on this charge, from this charge to this charge, that C, repulsive force. Let us say F1. From this charge, so on this charge, another repulsive force F2. Yes or no? So let us say this distance, equilateral triangle means equal. Yes or no? So our question is, what is the total force or resultant force acting on the charge at C? So what is the question? What is the total force acting on the charge at C by charges at A and B respectively? Okay, that is our target. Now, if you observe, distances are equal, forces also, yes or no? So first you identified, excellent. This is the condition. Forces are equal because charges are equal. It's a equilateral triangle, distances are equal. Here, which formula we have to select? This, yes or no? So resultant force is equal to 2F1. Next, how to find angle? Here 60 degrees. Opposite angle? So based on angle between two vector definition, that we will discuss later. Okay. So now you find angle. So 2f1 cos 60 degrees by 2. How much ma? 2f1 cos. Cos 30 how much? Root 3 by 2. So then what you will get? Root 3 f1. F1 you can calculate from Coulomb's law. In 12th class it will come. Okay. So from Coulomb's law, 9 into 10 power 9, Q1 into Q2 by distance square. So from that, okay, that you can calculate once 12th class syllabus completes that chapter. Understand? Like this, ma, you have to learn physics like that. But the main reason is why many students feels difficult physics means they don't have patience. The single reason I'm telling. You observe working days, holidays. Holidays are more than working days in any institute. Okay? In holidays time, let us say Sunday, you write, today I will write concept 1 in one chapter, let us say kinematics or motion in a straight line. So, condition observe. Then write one model problem. Like that, only in Sunday, if you write only 2 concepts, practice our school material, definitely you will get national level rank below 1000. That do not have patience. How much time you are spending in holiday? Only 1 hour for physics. Only 1 hour, ma. Right, already you have materials, your teacher taught. Just you open the notebook, teacher notebook, and material, only one concept. And like that, 15 minutes. Again, 15 minutes. Half an hour practice school materials, 10 or 15 problems. Then close. Then take chemistry. Closed. 1 hour. Then botany. 1 hour. Zoology. So morning physics, chemistry, evening botany, zoology or maths. Okay. Remaining time, board exam, 1 hour, 2 hours play. Remaining 7 hours you play in the ground. I am not telling don't play. I am giving maximum time for playing. Understand? So this is the technique. And the second one is, so in your school time, suppose one teacher is holiday, that period, some other teacher will come, handle, and the teacher will tell, please read. Yes or no? At the time, write physics formulas, very difficult formulas. Some formulas you know. I am not asking to write a plus b whole square formula, you already know. I am asking to write this formula. Then you will get very, very good rank and you will feel happy. You have a lot of time to play and you will increase your knowledge and your health will become very good because of games and everything, and your mind will be happy. I am getting very good rank in this exam. So everything positive. Only you take this guidance. Not every class I never take. Just for you, one teacher told me follow that throughout the year. Not teacher told today, tomorrow you did not, I did not follow. That is meaningless. Okay? Understand, ma? Okay, very good. So I think next year you will bring very good ranks for your parents' happiness. Okay? Shall I rub this? So like that, just one concept. Many problems. Every school material has many problems. That is sufficient. Don't worry about other books. Okay? Now, see, the triangular concept will take another model in mechanics. So many times neat question is asked. Suppose a body of mass, let us say, later we take how many cases? M. Okay? So, pulled with a horizontal force. Okay? So, now this is the new position. Yes or no? Okay? When it is pulled, here tension is acting. Yes or no? I want formula for tension. So, now see, this is one force due to this mass, gravitational force mg, already your teacher taught. This is another force, horizontal force is given. This is another force, tension. So triangular, another statement is there. If three forces are in the same direction, resultant force is 0. That is another statement. Okay. If three forces are in the same direction, the resultant force is 0, then the body is in equilibrium. Here all forces are in the same direction. Therefore, the body is equilibrium is rest. I am pulling, I am putting. It is not moving. Then it is called equilibrium. Yes or no? Then simple. What is this? So which triangle? Now tell tension formula. Pythagoras theorem. Tell T square is equal to mg plus. Then you got the answer. Whatever the mass it may be, whether it is 1 kg or 10 kg. G value you know, teacher already told 10 or 9.8. Yes or no? Everything. Whether they ask F also. Suppose the question comes, I want to find F. Theta is given. Theta is, let us say, given. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. It is given. Then what is F value? Formula. Theta is given, not. They given in the question like this. Let us say 1 kg. This is 10 Newton. F I want 45 degrees. Then find F. T is not given. What is tan theta? Correct, she is telling. Tell ma. Tan theta definition. Opposite side by? Opposite side what? Yeah. Adjacent side? MG. Here it is given 45. Very good, very good. Yeah. What is mass given? 1. G value? 10. Very good. Now tell what is F? So what is the formula now tell? Mg tan theta. These formulas you have to write. Because at that time derivation is not possible. So that is why you write at free time when teacher is absent. At that time when if they give study hour, write formula. Slowly write. You take one chapter, one concept, formulas write one day. At your home, if you are free, if you want to write another concept formulas. Within 20 days, 11th class, 12th class formulas in your pocket. Why I am telling you? You may ask, everything is available in net. What is the use? The formulas must be in your brain. Google cannot write exam. You are writing exam. Understand? At that time, then no one give computer or you cannot operate anything. Yes or no? That is the reason. Huh? So if you write formula and holidays came to concept, one problem half an hour. If your school make it 15 problems. If you do, you will get very good score. Okay, ma? Okay. Shall I stop, sir? Shall I continue? Yes, you want. So, I will explain first physically. Suppose this is I suspended. I pulled. I kept with my hand. Whether it is moving, huh? No. It's called equilibrium. So, no. That I will do mathematically. Say, this is the triangle A bar. This is the triangle B bar. This is the triangle C bar. Three vectors are given in the same direction. Now apply triangle. Same direction vector must be equal to resultant opposite. Yes or no? Now tell C bar plus R bar, they are equal and opposite. Resultant 0. Yes or no? Now what is R bar? A bar plus B bar. Now this is the condition for equilibrium. If three vectors are taken in the same direction, their sum is equal to 0. That is called equilibrium of the body in physics. I am not talking about mathematics. For moving body, you should not take that. They will give separately. I will tell you. Suppose this is the river is flowing with 3 meters per second. Okay, boat is moving 5 meters per second. Okay, with 60 degrees. So what is the, suppose boat mass, let us say 10 kg take. Okay, boat mass take 10 kg. What is the acceleration? Then you have to apply everything formula. Suppose if you want resultant velocity, square root of, so 3 square plus 5 square, 2 into 3 into 5 into cos 60, then find resultant velocity. From that you have to calculate force F is equal to ma. So it depends the question, they will give everything data. From that data you can find F is equal to ma. From that A is equal to F by M. Okay? Please sit down.
Which force balance the tensile force in this system?
Here, 1 minute. So, sir is asking which force is balances tension. Yes, sir? So, this depends on the concept of resolution of vectors. So, you must know resolution of vector concept. So, it's already told. Now, you say, here, I will drop. Weight is always acting vertically downwards. Whatever the position of the body may be, weight is always, whether I keep water bottle in this direction, weight always vertically downwards. If I put, weight is acting vertically downwards. If I put, weight is acting vertically downwards. If I put, weight is acting vertically downwards. Now, see here, tension. Yes or no? Now draw the line. So this is theta. This is theta. Why? Suppose if you take this is y-axis, it is parallel y-axis. Say straight line angle is same. Straight line angle, whatever it may be, it's just a straight line. You can take. Yes or no? It does not change. Okay? So now, in this, you want to resolve this vector. Suppose this is the vector, let us say C. This is theta, drop perpendicular. This is C cos theta. This is C sin theta. That like that you have to resolve. Now, drop perpendicular. Okay, now it is MG. Which side this is? Adjacent side. For adjacent side, what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So cos theta adjacent side by, in hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse. What is the value? Mg. So Mg. So adjacent side is equal to Mg cos theta. So this cos theta, Mg cos theta balances tension. Another way you can resolve. Another way also you can resolve. Because sometimes this is needed. Here what is? Mg. Here T. So drop perpendicular. What is this side? Adjacent side, cos theta. So T cos theta balances Mg. Sometimes we use problems here, this. Some problems we have to use this. Okay? That is given in every school material. These two models are given. You have to understand the concept of rectangular resolution of a vector. It's simple. Only 2-3 lines only. Then one model, this. Sir asked this. So it is available in school material. But you have to keep separate book, write Sunday, holiday time, or any concept one. Yes, right. Like that, if you finish within 3 months, you have your own book. That gives rank. Yes or no? Everything is in Google, computer, but and that exam, they will give only question paper. You have to pencil, pen. So it must be present in your Google mind. Then rank will flow, whatever the tough it may be. Suppose,
What is the difference between triangle of Poisson and parallelogram law?
so both are same, but I will explain. So this is a parallelogram. So here, suppose A bar. This is B bar. This is B bar. So I told you triangle. This is the resultant. How many triangles are there in parallelogram? 2. Yes or no? This is the triangle. If you put in this direction, it will become parallelogram. So formulas are same. Only definition changes in board exam. Formulas, special cases, everything is same. Next, everything is same, but some physical phenomena we use parallelogram. For example, flying bird, we use cat ball. You know cat ball? 1 Y shape sticker, rubber sheet, and we put some stone. So yes or no? Through the mango tree, mango will fall down. That is parallelogram. And that time we'll use parallelogram word, but both are same.
Is there any rule day to day connection or day to day connection in a triangle of Poisson as well as parallelogram law?
Yes, that is, I will tell. For simplicity competitive exam course, I told shortcut method. For board exam, I will tell everything. Okay? Because already they completed 11th class. They want to practice. So if I give shortcut, they'll remember. Marks will come. So board teacher already told. If I start board head to tail, everything I will explain, line to point to point. That is actually mathematics teachers will tell too much. That because in mathematics they must teach physics, simple method, application, problems, getting ranks. That is main. Okay, after joining in medicine, they will become scientists like that. That after that, everything they will learn. Yes or no? Now I will. What is the magnitude of a vector, Amma? You know, anyone know, please, magnitude of vector? Okay, I will explain. Don't worry. Okay, I just in my class also Hyderabad same method. In class also I'll ask like this, then I'll explain. Okay, simple. Okay, here we have to take definition vector given from mathematics. What is vector? A directed line segment. Here, what is vector? Mathematics. There are two definitions in mathematics, different physics. In that, physics scientists took this definition: a directed line segment. Line segment means, you know, in mathematics, what is ma? Two end points. What is this length of line segment? Yes or no? Length positive or negative? Yes, always positive. Length never be negative. Zero or positive value. So this length of directed line segment is called as magnitude of the vector in physics. So it is always positive. In math, they will tell, suppose this is a bar. The absolute value of the vector is called as magnitude. That definition also teacher will tell. Absolute value, you know, -3. What is maths? Real numbers are told +3. -5. What they told? So magnitude of vector is always positive. By this method, we can explain. Okay. 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 Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you, children. God bless you. So prepare. Take my suggestion.